Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select which languages you want recommended tweets. So let's get started. Open up Twitter app. Then in very top you will see on the right corner this icon. Tap on this icon. From pop-up menu proceed to view content preferences. We should on menu filters select recommendations. From recommendation tap on show more. Here you will see all available language to see tweets, people and trending in any language you choose. Scroll down and find any language which you want. So, for example, I want to English language in tweets. So, near English language, swipe the slider to the right side. Then tap on done in the very bottom or tap on done at the top right corner. And now you will see only on English language all tweets on Twitter. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.